Hey everyone, want to customize a Framer website? A Framer makes it easy to personalize every part of your website, from colors and fonts to layouts, animations, images, and interactive elements, all without writing code. In this full guide, I'll show you how to customize a Framer website in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Framer account and open the website project you want to customize. Yeah, you can edit an existing project or start with a template. Next, replace the placeholder text with your own content and upload your own images or logos. Clear messaging and high-quality visuals help create a more professional website. Now adjust the colors, fonts, font sizes, and spacing to match your personal or business brand. Consistent branding makes your website look polished and memorable. Add, remove, or rearrange sections to fit your needs. Yeah, you can move elements using drag-and-drop controls, duplicate sections, and organize your pages without touching any code. Use Framer's built-in animation tools to create hover effects, transitions, and interactive elements. Subtle animations can make your website feel more engaging while keeping the experience smooth. Before publishing, preview your website on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Yeah, make any final layout adjustments, then click Publish to update your live website. To create a more professional website, keep your design consistent, use optimized images, limit the number of fonts, maintain clear spacing, and review every page before publishing. These simple practices improve both appearance and usability, and that's how to customize a Framer website in 2026. Whether you're building a portfolio, business website, landing page, or personal project, Framer gives you powerful customization tools without requiring coding knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.